Nginibingelele nonke enisibukele namhlanje. We know that we have faced many challenges about woman abuse. And certain people have asked me because kuna certain statements released by certain organization ngoba ngiyi-chairperson of Inkululeko Yesizwe Association bengibuza where is your statement, and I said, you know what, indaba zama-statement they are fine. I think they still have space in an era esiphila kuyo, but for me I'm not religious on statements, because what I've seen is that many organizations and people, when something happens, they are quick to release a statement today, and then after that, that's it. But feeling out, okay, we have released a statement, sizawubukwa ngale ndlela ukuthi we did release a statement, and then that's it. For me, statement or no statement, it does not matter. What matters is action. What matters is irreligious space, or with us, spiritual space. Senzani to curb woman abuse. Example, yini efundiswa yanga men enkonzweni, yini efundiswa yanga women esontweni. What are we teaching them? What example isibapha zona? Because for me, that's what is important. If we groom laba abancane kahle, siyabagayida kahle, then obviously these problems will meet. Even no baba badala, we have men in the church, bafundiswa and bagayidwa kanjani. For me, that is what is important, and we are doing that. Siyawenza lo msebenzi. But in any event, as umuntu okhulumela or omele i-African spirituality under African religion, I must say, ukuthi, in terms of African, we don't promote abuse. I know abanye bazongibheka say you are lying, patriarchy is from culture, and we can argue until inkomo zibuye ekhaya or debate about that matter. But in African sense, we don't promote woman abuse. Not woman abuse in the African sense. Woman abuse, no. So we are saying that to all women, Ibani is strong. And to all women, I always teach the women in Konzo, this is not the era to be dependent, this is the era now to be self-dependent. You must be independent, so that also ungadependi kwabanye abantu, and then you end up becoming a slave, and then ube nama abuse. But to all the women and the men, namadoda masisukumeni singa alawi le situation, and also report the situation. Siyayibona yenzeka, let us report the situation.